Hi, my name's Rish and I'm responsible for the clients at SafeHouse Rehab Thailand. We're taking a radical new approach in introducing modern technology which help restore healthy brain function to our clients.
These are the technologies that we are talking about. A hypothermic wellness capsule that's been proven to make withdrawal easier and improve recovery for opioid addiction. Sensory deprivation flotation to calm overstimulated clients when they first enter treatment. And zero gravity plus virtual reality that brings clients to a new level of a sober sensory experience. We also know that in order to reverse brain damage, a problem which we address head-on at SafeHouse, a healthy and varied diet rich in dopamine is critical, along with a program of intense therapy, vigorous exercise and fitness to give the body an endorphin kick, which is both good and fun.
Finally, what I want to say is that I'm a living example of what we mean when we say that treatment is just the beginning of a lifetime journey.
Which is why, here at SafeHouse, we absolutely outperform traditional rehabs when it comes to a robust aftercare program. From connecting clients to recovery groups at home, to weekly WhatsApp group chats, and being available 24/7 with a friendly Skype video call to make sure our clients stay on the right path.
So, welcome to recovery in the 21st century, where we break with tradition and lead the way with a truly modern approach to recovery.